Good evening and welcome. I'm Cody Holyoung.
And I'm Liz Bishop. A family court trial underway now for the aunt of a 5-year-old boy killed in Knox. Brenda VanAlstyne cared for Kenneth White and his 2 sisters.
Her daughter, Tiffany VanAlstyne, has been charged with Kenneth's murder. Brenda faces family court allegations of abuse and neglect. Let's go now to Tori Wells, who's live outside family court in Albany. Tori, Kenneth's surviving twin sister was mentioned quite a bit today, especially when it comes to the bruises authorities say they found on her.
That's right. Tomorrow morning, this family court trial will continue right in this courthouse here behind me. The defense still has not decided whether or not Brenda VanAlstyne herself will testify. But today we did hear from a number of witnesses called by the county, including caseworkers, an investigator, and a doctor. And as you mentioned, Cody, they focused quite a bit on bruising that they say they saw on Kenneth's twin sister. Cameras are not allowed inside family court, but the judge allowed a sketch artist. This morning, before the trial started, the judge arraigned Kenneth's biological mother, Christine White, on a neglect petition from the County Department of Children, Youth, and Families. She and her attorney denying the allegations. Outside, she told her camera this.
Half the things that they just said in court ain't even true. And I'm tired of people running around, running their mouth. They need to know what the facts are before they say anything.
Back inside, Brenda VanAlstyne's attorney made an opening statement, saying the testimony will show the children were active and any bruising happened naturally. That testimony won't show a link between Tiffany VanAlstyne's mental health and any violence. And he told the court Brenda VanAlstyne is not guilty of abuse or neglect. The county then called its witnesses. A caseworker testifying she observed an interview where Kenneth's twin sister told an FBI agent someone in the home hit her with a bat, but didn't say who. It came out in testimony multiple times today that Kenneth's twin sister and younger sister have speech that is difficult to understand. A doctor who specializes in child abuse pediatrics testified that she examined the twin girl and found multiple bruises on her arms, legs, bottom, and one on her face. She testified that some of the bruises were consistent with those seen in abuse cases, and that her conclusion was that some were not accidental. Brenda's attorney focused on the fact that science can't put a date on when the bruises happened, and that Brenda wouldn't know the difference between an accidental bruise and one that was inflicted. Outside court, Brenda VanAlstyne did not want to speak.
Brenda, anything you want to say about this morning so far?
Nope.
Oh my God. Really? Brenda, anything you want to say about what Tiffany had told you?
No comment, thank you.
Now, a caseworker also testified today that Tiffany VanAlstyne told her she was mainly in charge of caring for Kenneth and his twin sister, and that her mother, Brenda, was mainly in charge of caring for the younger girl. Brenda also told that caseworker, that came out in court, that she did not use physical discipline on these children. Now, if the judge does decide that Brenda is guilty of this petition brought by the county, it's up to him then as to what will happen next. It could be that she will still not be allowed to see these children. And we do want to remind you, these are not criminal allegations. Live in Albany, Tori Wells, CBS 6 News.